Wanted to talk about the Simpson cleaning. This is the Mega Shot, so it's 3200 PSI. So we were looking something that could do multiple surfaces, whether it was the siding or the patio. And when we wanted that, we also wanted something that could use attachments like the surface cleaner that we're using in this video. So with the high PSI, of course, we got what we wanted, but this also has 5 different nozzle types that are really easy to switch on and off. They store right on top of there, so very easy to use. Also like the fact that this has a Honda engine on it, the fact that it's a trusted name brand, something you know it's going to be reliable for a long time. The wheels on this are really good. It can go over multiple surfaces. We had rocks that we got to go through to even get to the pool patio. So it's really easy. I mean, this can go over pretty much any normal residential thing that you're going to get to. The hose on this feels extremely durable. The connections as well are really easy to hook up. They're also brass, which means that they should hold up for a very long time without any threading or oxidation issues, which is something that when you want to plan in the future, you definitely want something that's going to be durable for a long period of time. Definitely looking forward to using this for more cases, whether it's the side of the house or some other uses. But this cleaned the patio, this cleaned the pool patio, this cleaned his sidewalks, and of course the driveway. So this thing has been tremendous so far. We'll get a lot of use throughout the year, and certainly a good investment so far.